Connector is a social media business who can help you to create connections online and offline through consulting, training and events. The Connector Social Media Partnership Programme is for businesses and organisations of all sizes and industry sectors. We will help you to attract and retain more customers using your website, social media and email marketing. The Connector 10C's model can help executives and entrepreneurs create and implement strategic plans. We examine your current business situation, who your consumers are, and see if they are members of any online communities or groups. We'll help you to develop original concepts to appeal to your audience, identify possible collaborators, and produce quality content to engage your audience. We'll help you to build your network of connections online and offline. We show you how to start by listening to consumers and then by starting your own conversations. People love to share good content with their friends. We measure all activities so you can see what works and gives the best return on investment. Here's what people are saying about Connector and our 10Cs. Conor Lynch has over 12 years digital marketing experience. Won the Internet Marketer of the Year award in 2005 for his work with online bank RabbitDirect. Please contact us for more information on the Connector Social Media Partnership Programme.